Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with the Sevys, and yes, I changed my name. It was Morgan Christine, but I wanted it to be more too that I could include my family into my videos sometimes, and I didn't want to just do cleaning videos anymore either. I took a little bit of a break. It was more of a mental break from doing YouTube and stuff like that. I just kind of took, it was almost like a social media break. But I am so happy to be back. I will be only posting 2 days a week. I'm thinking about uploading Sundays and maybe like Wednesday or Thursdays probably. One day in the weekend and one day during the week. For right now, I just think 2 days a week is better than 3 at this point for me. And in today's video, I am just cleaning my kitchen. I had a good bit of dishes to do. I need to put them away, wipe the counters, do the stove, all the above. But this is only part 1 of my cleaning that I need to get done. I'm also prepping for like Thanksgiving. We're doing our Thanksgiving get together the week before Thanksgiving this year, so I had a little more stuff to like prepare for. So I am going to do a little bit of cleaning on my channel, but not maybe as much, because almost every video of mine was cleaning. That's not really gonna how it's going to be. I did cut my hair too. You guys might be able to see it in today's video. I hope you guys subscribe and remember to turn the notification bell on to all, and also make sure you comment and tell me what your favorite show and movie are. Let's get talking in the comments, and like this video as well, and remember to share it, and go on my Instagram too, and I will have that down below.
I just wanna love, we don't gotta fuck. You can be on the other side, maybe we can meet, but hey, you know what I mean, I'm just tired of all this bullshit. I just wanna love, we don't gotta fuck. You can be on the other side, maybe we can meet, but hey, you know what I mean, I'm just tired of all this bullshit. I just wanna love, we don't gotta fuck. You can be on the other side, maybe we can meet, but hey, you know what I mean, I'm just tired of all this bullshit. I just wanna love, we don't gotta fuck. You can be on the other side, maybe we can meet, but hey, you know what I mean, I'm just tired of all this bullshit. I just wanna real. She just text me wanna meet me at platform 불착장에 템발이 먹히니까 난 병문진. So baby please don't hate me please. We get them chillshot 만남 kiss. Online bitch she marry me. 직업을 골랐네 래퍼라는 타이틀. 그녀 핸드폰에 내 이름은 HW Pamela ID 검색창에 내 이름을 기입해. Monopoly shit 이름이 많이 많아. 그녀의 가시뽕처럼 나는 너에만이 떠. 인생은 템발 좋은 차 좋은 집. I just wanna be a multi-millionaire block. I just wanna be a multi-millionaire block.
나이가 가운데 너머로 유해 사이트는 부모장 걸려. 너와 나 사이에 불타는 벽이 이루어질 수 없기에 더욱 아름다운 것. 내 IP를 다른 주소로 바꿔서 다시 너에게로 가는 창문 열어. 그런데도 나는 너를 볼 수가 없어. 국가적으로도 우리 사이를 걱정해. 매일 밤 그리는 넌 나의 꿈. 헤어날 수 없는 파도 같은 너의 품. 난 널 만날 거야 언젠가는. 이름밖에 모르지만 우린 조금 다른 뭔가 있는 듯해. 너는 사올 때 날 깊은데 할까 이런 나의 마음.
Is this love? I just wanna love, we don't gotta fuck. You can be on the other side, maybe we can meet, but hey, you know what I mean, I'm just tired of all this bullshit. I just wanna love, we don't gotta fuck. You can be on the other side, maybe we can meet, but hey, you know what I mean, I'm just tired of all this bullshit. I just want it real.
It's the wrong time to surrender. Light me up and skip. You are the wrong scarce life, what do you found in me? If I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? If I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights? Let me believe. Let me believe. Hear the strong beat of my weak heart. Is this a lie to see? You came in last night, full of bright lights, and take away my fear of falling asleep. When I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? When I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights? Let me
Everything was black and white, now it's so different.
Now it seems alright. Before I met you, everything was black and white, but it's so different. Now it seems so bright. You bring the color to my life. You bring the color.